Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn on advanced data protection in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and any iPad and you want to turn on advanced data protection, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your settings app. Now in settings, very first I recommend you have to try to update your software if you have any pending software update. After updating your software, just scroll down and you'll see iCloud option here. If you can't find it here, you can also go to your Apple ID. And here you'll find the iCloud option. Just select that, and here just scroll down. You will get the option of advanced data protection. You will easily get the same option on the first one. So just select advanced data protection. Tap on the continue option here, and here it will update some Apple account settings. So we just have to wait for it until it's still updating. Then you have to enter your iPhone passcode. Just simply enter your iPhone passcode here, and your data protection will be enabled. So in this way, you can easily turn on advanced data protection in your iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.